So our aquaponics machine works. This is just the model without the fish, but once it rises up, once the water elevates higher, it will come down this tube, which will restart the cycle, which will make it where the plants get all their water, and the water has oxygen, so the fish that's going to be in there can live.
What's going to be on the bottom?
The bottom is going to be fish in the bottom.
What's that black thing in the bottom?
The black thing in the bottom is the black thing in the very bottom is a air stone.
Air stone, and what else?
And it gives oxygen to the water.
What's all this stuff in the bottom of this top that's hanging? What's this stuff in the bottom top tank that's hanging?
That is some roots from the plants that we're growing.
Okay.
We're growing cabbages. We're growing chard. We're growing lettuce.
Okay, so what's getting ready to happen?
This is the water, once it hits this, it's gonna come down this tube, down here, like a slide to where the water goes back down.
So in a few minutes, we're gonna start seeing water coming out of there?
Not a few minutes, a few seconds.
Oh, seconds.
Okay, now.
I don't see anything yet. All right, so now, since the top is full, we're starting to see some water come back, returning into the tank. Isn't that what we wanted?
Yes.
All right, experiment.
Okay, don't do that, Roy. Don't do that, because it's gonna fall.
All right, so what did y'all learn today?
We learned that
Aquaponics.